How many day trades can you make on Webull? Webull, like other trading platforms, adheres to the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA) guidelines regarding day trading. These rules include the Pattern Day Trader (PDT) rule, which states that traders making 4 or more day trades within a 5-business-day period, and whose day trades exceed 6% of total trades during that period, are classified as pattern day traders. This classification triggers the requirement to maintain at least $25,000 in your margin account. If your balance falls below this threshold, you cannot execute additional day trades until the account meets the minimum equity requirement. Day trading on Webull can offer significant advantages for active traders. The platform provides robust tools like extended trading hours, detailed analysis, and commission-free trading for U.S.-listed stocks and options. Additionally, Webull supports features such as paper trading, which is invaluable for testing strategies without risking real money. These features make Webull an appealing choice for traders looking to enter the world of day trading. However, there are limitations to consider. For accounts under $25,000, Webull restricts the number of day trades to 3 within a rolling 5-business-day period unless the account qualifies as a PDT account. This restriction can limit flexibility for active traders. Additionally, margin trading, required for PDT accounts, carries its own risks, including interest charges and potential for amplified losses. The advantages of day trading on Webull include access to sophisticated trading tools and a user-friendly platform. The ability to trade during pre-market and after-hours sessions allows users to react to news and market developments beyond standard hours. Commission-free trading can significantly reduce costs for frequent traders. Conversely, the downsides involve the strict PDT rule, which can be a barrier for small investors. The requirement for a $25,000 balance to qualify for unlimited day trading may be prohibitive for some. Moreover, while Webull offers educational resources, the platform may overwhelm beginners with its advanced tools and technical features. It is also essential to highlight the inherent risks of day trading. Market volatility, emotional decision-making, and reliance on margin can result in significant losses. For traders without the required experience or risk tolerance, these factors can outweigh potential rewards. Webull is a competitive platform for day trading due to its comprehensive features and commission-free structure. However, adherence to the PDT rule means that traders must be strategic, particularly if their account balance does not meet the $25,000 threshold. New traders are advised to utilize Webull's paper trading feature and educational tools to develop strategies and gain confidence before committing real capital. This measured approach can help mitigate risks while taking advantage of the platform's robust offerings.